Mallareddy University, established in 2020. It is the first greenfield university in the state of Telangana, starting with 2020. I am very happy to know that as the capacity of the Vice Chancellor, we have a clear objective how to take up the educational system in the university. We defined our own objectives in the three directions for the benefit of the student community. The main focus is the infrastructure facilities, the faculty and training programs. We started with 4 verticals: the School of Engineering, the School of Commerce, School of Science, School of Management. All these 4 verticals starts with the Computer Science School of Engineering. We have a variety of the technologies, variety of the courses with artificial intelligence, the machine learning, the blockchain technologies, the cyber security, IoT, DevOps and 3D printing and robotics, etc. In the School of Commerce, various commerce courses, the BCom and MCom courses, the School of Management, the BBA and MBA programs, School of Science, the Physical Sciences, Life Sciences. We started with all 4 verticals from 2020. Based on the experience of the 20 years of the education in the industry, our management has been tying up with so many universities in the foreign education. Those universities we are offering for the dual degree programs. Student has to train 2 years programs here. The students has to transfer abroad to gain a knowledge in the 2 years, remaining 2 years. We need to transfer these 2 years credits to that university to get a degree from that university. At the same time, the student will get the degree from this university as well. Now, that is one of the greatest advantage of the students joining for our university. We established the beautiful infrastructure, the building infrastructure, exclusive residence for the students, exclusive residence for the faculty and staff. It is all in the campus. There are 100 acres campus. In the campus, we have a laboratories with high-end technology, with all the software tools, all the simulation tools. We loaded in the cloud servers. Now, one of the beauty of the university is we already procured the cloud servers with Amazon, the Google and Microsoft. We are working out in the direction to get a cloud server to load all the resources in the database in the university. The students will access 24 hours a day. Now we are giving for the login and password very beginning of the first day of the institution, university, up to 4 years. The same login and password, student will access all the tools to develop the applications in the various specializations. One student has to get into all the tools to develop the various applications. Based on the learning resources available in the database, student will excel to take off into the industry, higher education, or maybe in the competitive examinations based on the knowledge gaining in the university. The main focus of our university is we need to give a more choice for the interdisciplinary subjects, interdisciplinary courses for the students, so that students can choose the courses according to their interest, according to the requirement of the industry. Example, the BTech Bachelor of Technology, any branch of engineering, the requirement is only 40 courses, but we are providing for the 80 courses with various specializations. Student has to choose. One of the main parameter for the student community today, the campus placements. To reach into the campus placements, based on the experience of the 2 decades in the engineering education, we have almost more than 100 companies visiting to the campuses in various institutions. Based on the experience, these 100 companies coming for the university is a very easy for us to bring it to the university, all the companies. Ultimately, the parents and students going out of the campus with a good, decent degree certificate, decent offer letter, decent admission in international university. That is the main focus of the university, with the great support of our visionary management and dynamic management in all respects.